Hey, this Sunday, we're doing a car wash fundraiser to help our kids program compete in two big tournaments that are coming up. July 8th, American Nationals, and September 2nd, Jiu-Jitsu Con. So if you guys want to come out and support these kids, the car wash is going to be at the gym again, FTCC on Maryland Parkway. It's going to be 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. We'll be washing cars. Everything's going to be donation-based. And yes, we will have the Bear and Boba stand back up. Devin and Michelle are really excited to do it again and everything. We just got done with a 2-week intensive camp. We ran them through a 2-hour practice, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And then we fed them and sent them home, and they rested for a little bit, and then they come back at night for an hour and a half practice, 5 to 6:30. So they're taking full advantage of their summer. They're not just sleeping and playing video games and stuff too, and they're working really hard. We also did an in-house tournament at the end of the camp, and the kids are looking really sharp too. So we're like so excited for them. If you want to support and you're not in the area, or you're not going to be able to make it out or whatever, we did set up a GoFundMe. You can check it out in our bio, and we really appreciate any support. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the future. Thank you.